Introducing the ATC-750 Portable Torque Tester, a compact and versatile desktop solution for your torque testing needs. Designed and manufactured by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester packs a multitude of capabilities into a user-friendly package. With its sleek and modern design, the ATC-750 is a valuable addition to any workshop or laboratory. The ATC-750 offers 3 distinct testing modes, allowing you to capture peak torque, first peak torque, or track the entire torque curve. This versatility enables you to analyze various aspects of torque performance, making it an ideal tool for quality control and product development. Featuring both manual and auto-clear functions, the ATC-750 streamlines your testing process by providing control over clearing the displayed readings. This flexibility saves valuable time and allows you to focus on the task at hand. The ATC-750 comes with multiple frequency response settings, ensuring accurate and reliable torque measurements across a range of testing requirements. Whether you're working with low torque or high torque applications, the ATC-750 has you covered. With its bidirectional use and high accuracy, the ATC-750 is suitable for various applications and provides precise and dependable results. Whether you're testing clockwise or counterclockwise torque, the ATC-750 delivers consistent and reliable measurements. With a maximum torque capacity of 750 inch-pounds or 85 newton-meters and a 3/8 square drive, the ATC-750 is well equipped to handle a wide range of testing needs. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to transport and use in different locations. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the ATC-750 Portable Torque Tester. Its versatility, accuracy, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking precise and reliable torque measurements. Invest in the ATC-750 today and experience the confidence and precision you need in your torque testing applications.